Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we are going to take up another challenging and interesting question from radical maths. We have to evaluate 5x whole power 6 if 1 over x is 11 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 231 over 1 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 11. So let's get started with our 1 over x equal to. Can we write this 11 as root 11 times root 11? Now second term will be root 11 as it is plus root 21 as it is plus 231. If I will factor, then it is 21 times 11. So let me write 21 in root times root 11 divided by 1 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 11. Now from first two terms, I can take root 11 common. From last two terms, I can take root 21 common. So I can write root 11 in bracket root 11 plus 1. Now root 21 is common. In bracket I will write 1 plus root 11 over 1 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 11. Now I can take root 11 plus 1 common. Let's take common. So I will be writing here root 11 plus 1 in one bracket. In second bracket it would be root 11 plus root 21. And denominator is 1 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 11. This is equal to 1 over x. Now I will flip to find out x. So I can write in numerator 1 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 11 divided by 1 plus root 11 times root 11 plus root 21. Let's write. So I will write 1 plus root 11 plus root 21 plus root 11 divided by 1 plus root 11 and in second bracket root 21 plus root 11. Okay, now I will split these two brackets from our numerator with the denominator. Let us write 1 plus root 11 divided by 1 plus root 11 times root 21 plus root 11. Now first bracket is over plus root 21 plus root 11 divided by 1 plus root 11 times root 21 plus root 11. Now we can cancel 1 plus root 11, 1 plus root 11. Now it is left overall 1 over root 21 plus root 11 plus 1 over root 11 plus 1. Now I will rationalize our denominator. How it would be? I will multiply here with root 21 minus root 11 in numerator and in denominator. So here I need to write root 21 minus root 11. For second term, I will be multiplying numerator denominator with root 11 minus 1. Root 11 minus 1. Now you can see in denominator it is forming a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b for both the denominators. So I will use difference of two squares formula. So I can write root 21 minus root 11 numerator as it is divided by root 21 whole square minus root 11 whole square plus root 11 minus 1 divided by root 11 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now you can see it is root 21 minus root 11 over 10, and this will be root 11 minus 1 over 11 minus 1, that is 10. So let me write root 21 minus root 11 over 10. Then I will be writing plus root 11 minus 1 over 10. This is our x. Now denominator is same, so I will take LCM 10. So it will become root 21 minus root 11 plus root 11 minus 1. This will be cancelled out. So x will become root 21 minus 1 divided by 10. Now our target is to find out 5x whole power 6. So let's cross multiply. I will write 10x equal to root 21 minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. So 10x plus 1 equal to root 21. Remember, x is square root 21 minus 1 over 10. Now I will consider squaring both sides. Let me write 10x plus 1 equal to root 21. Now whole square, whole square. Now I will write a plus b whole square formula, so it will become 100x square plus 20x plus 1 equal to 21. So I can write 100x square plus 20x, it would be equal to 20. Equation is divisible by 20. So x square times 5 plus x equal to 1. From here we can write 5x square is equal to 1 minus x. Now we have to calculate 5x whole power 6. So let us consider cubing both sides. So I will write 5x square whole cube. It will become 1 minus x whole cube. So I will apply a minus b whole cube formula in RHS. So left hand side will be 5 cube x power 6. Right hand side will be a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now 5x square is 1 minus x. Here I will write 1 minus. Here I can write x times x square. This is x cube minus 3x plus 3x square. Left hand side is 5 cube times x power 6. Let me write here. So I will write 5 cube x power 6 equal to 1 minus x square times x, then minus 3x, then it was plus 3x square. Now 5x square was 1 minus x. So I will multiply both sides by 5 first. So I can write 5 times 5 cube x power 6 equal to 5 minus 5x square times x minus 15 times x plus 3 times 5x square. Why I have multiplied? Because 5x square we know it is 1 minus x. Now straight away I will replace this 5x square everywhere with 1 minus x. So let me write, left hand side will be 5 power 4 x power 6 equal to 5 minus 5x square is 1 minus x. So I will write x times 1 minus x minus 15x, and this will become plus 3 times 5x square is 1 minus x. So 5 power 4 x power 6, it is equal to 5 minus x plus x square minus 15x plus 3 minus 3x. So let us simplify RHS first. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I will write 8 minus x minus 15x. So it will become minus 16 minus 3 minus 19x plus x square. Now I can consider left hand side is 5 power 4 x power 6. Again I will write x square as 1 minus x over 5. So I can write 8 minus 19x, and here I will write 1 minus x divided by 5, as x square is 1 minus x over 5. Take LCM. So it will become 40 minus 95x plus 1 minus x over 5, and left hand side is 5 power 4 x power 6. Now I will cross multiply. So left hand side will become 5 power 5 and RHS will become 41 minus 96x. So let us write 5 power 5 x power 6 equal to 5 power 5 x power 6 equal to 41 minus 96x. Now remember our x was root 21 minus 1 over 10. So I will be writing here 41 minus 96 times root 21 minus 1 over 10. Now we can cancel 96 and 10. So I will be writing here 5 and here I will be writing 48. So this will become 41 minus 48 times root 21 minus 1 over 5. Now I will take LCM. So 41 times 5, 205 minus 48 times root 21 minus 1 divided by 5. Left hand side is 5 power 5 x power 6. Now I will multiply both sides by 5. So it will become 5 power 6 x power 6 equal to 205 minus 48 times root 21 minus 1. So 205 minus 48 root 21 plus 48. 205 plus 48. So it will become 253 minus 48 square root 21. And LHS is our required expression 5x whole power 6. So this is our final answer for this expression, and this brings the end of this video. Thank you friends for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.